Hello lovelies, welcome to my channel. I'm always glad to have you guys here. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a delicious and crunchy granola without an oven. So if you do not have an oven, that's not a problem. Just follow this very simple recipe. You'll be amazed by how easy it is to make. So let's get right into the video. Well, the first ingredient we're going to be using is our rolled oats. You can use any oats you have. So next is our honey. For this video, we're going to be using almond nuts and cashew nuts. Use any nuts you have. And then we're going to also use pumpkin seeds and some raisins. So the next ingredient is going to be our roasted coconut chips. So get a measuring cup and scoop out about 2.5 cups of rolled oats into your bowl. When you've done that, you can proceed to add all your nuts. Mind you, you can use any nut of your choice. So next, I put my pumpkin seeds. Feel free to use any healthy seeds that you have. I went on to add cinnamon powder for flavor and a pinch of salt for taste. So after that, you add in your liquid ingredients, which is basically honey and coconut oil. You can also use olive oil or even vegetable oil. Of course, after adding all that to your bowl, you go ahead to mix that very nicely. So lovelies, if you have watched to this point and you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe to my channel, like, and drop a comment down below. Do not forget to turn on your notification bell so that you know whenever I post a new video. So go ahead to heat up your pan and pour in your granola. Roast on a very low heat, and you go ahead to add your coconut chips and raisins last. Our coconut chips is actually being added last with the raisins because firstly the coconut chips is already roasted and the raisins are fruits. So after adding all of that, just continue to stir this up till it turns golden brown. Remember that all these should be done on a very low heat. You wouldn't want to burn your granola. So when that is done, just take it off the heat and let it cool down. Store in an airtight container and enjoy.